I feel really bad. And I want to start by saying that because I feel like the weight of the language is on their backs and they don't know that yet.
Kua whātekau tau mai te orokohanga o te kōhanga reo. Mai reira, kua puāwai ngā kura kaupapa Māori me ngā kaupapa whakarauora i te reo Māori. I haerea ohinga ki tētahi kura rūmaki ki Florida. Me te mea nei, kua whānui katoa te whakaaweawe o ngā kaupapa reo, te kōhanga reo, me ngā kura kaupapa Māori.
To me personally, it just feels like you guys have it all together. And I'm sure, you probably feel like you don't. But from our perspective, is you guys kind of invented immersion.
Nā ngā mahi rangahau, nā te angitūtanga hoki o ngā kura kaupapa Māori me ngā kōhanga reo, ka toko ake te whakaro a te iwi semanao kia hangaia hoki rātou he kura rūmaki.
This is the Pimaida Mahaga Charter School. Here we house students pre-K through 8th grade. They attend classes here every single day, either in arts and crafts, history, and as well language classes.
Your turn. Meaning.
The main goal, and it's always been the goal since the beginning, is to produce fluent speakers. How do we make sure that this child sounds like our grandparents or our great-grandparents?
Nā te ahu whakamua o Aotearoa, e kaha kitea ngā iwi taketake o te ao i te āheinga o ngā mahi whakarauora reo ki ngā uri whakaheke.
Sure. It's Maui wheel.
Maui. Seeing you guys, it's kind of like, look what they did. There is hope. You have a mixture of different ages and all growing and singing and speaking in the language. So it's beautiful and it kind of gives us hope. So if they can do it, we can do it. It's just nice to know that somewhere in this world, an Indigenous group pushed back and said, we're not gonna do what you say, how you say, when you say it. We're not gonna do it. And so it's inspiring, really.
Ko te reo, te take.